Hey everyone, welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke and a big follower shout out. Let's get started.
Singable Words.
The word is
glimpse.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Glimpse is a momentary or partial view, a brief look, a glance, or to catch sight of. The opposite is to stare and to gaze.
But wait! Here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Notice, peek, sighting.
Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Glare, look, examine.
Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the squirrel sit in the tree with binoculars? To get a glimpse of the nutty action. Now let's use it in a sentence.
I caught a glimpse of a rainbow in the sky.
Now let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
I have singable words because we learn new vocabulary words, and it's very cool how Kat came here and visited us and showed us all about her channel. Singable Words!